Hey guys, this is the project that I have been working on for about a month, and this is my first full stack project using Vanilla JavaScript, PHP, and MySql. This project is a webGIS application, so you will be able to pin your events or messages across the globe using the map. Basically, the Pinzy users will be able to see the pins. So, yeah, let's dive right in. So this is the login page. Basically, this is the landing page, and the error cases are taken care of, such as if users submits the form without filling up the fields, corresponding toast notification will be shown like this, and you can close it off because nobody likes to see an error. And you can log in. You have two other features here on the login page, which is sign up and guest. So sign up, you can sign up if you do not have a Pinzy account. And you can also explore as a guest just to have a taste of how it is like to be part of Pinzy. And you have a guest limit here. So you'll be able to post 10 pins for the time being. And if you sign up as a signed user, you'll be able to post unlimited pins. So those are the two features here. And there is forgot password. Let's go to sign up. Here you have various error cases is taken care of as well. For instance, if you again like submits an empty form, a corresponding notification is shown and you can close it down again. So let's sign up. Let's see my account. So here, let's say, or, yeah. So here I am. That notification was basically it's a common password that I used for the demonstration purpose, 1234, that's why. So this is the UI, and here you'll be able to interact with the map. Yeah. And on the left hand side, this is your pin bar. This is your sidebar. So basically this is a pin bar. You will have your profile, you have your pin cards here, and you will be able to upload your profile picture here as well. And you have your pin counts. You can close the sidebar like this. It's kind of like a bit too wide, I guess. I'll change it probably. And you have pins, which is, oh, excuse me, I still have a var dump here. Let me find now. And so this is how it will be. So we have a guest pin here. And as you can see, you have your pin card here. It is a guest alert. So let's go to profile and create some pins. How about we create a pin somewhere in Moscow? Why not? Okay, here we have an emergency service, and let's say, so this is the kind of pin you can pin on the map. So for instance, this is an emergency ambulance service, and you can call us at this, and you can pin it. So there you go. There you have your pin. Now let's create another. This should be somewhere around here because the pin is something like that. So let's see here. We have an alert. Yeah, as you can see, you can alert your people and everyone that if you detected an earthquake and you immediately pin it here, every other pins users will be able to detect it, and you'll have your notification. And you can also like turn off notification as your preferences, but those are in the future release, which I'm planning to release in the wild. And let's say we have another one. Let's say in New Delhi, we have another event here. Dev meetup at 3:30 p.m. Join in. There goes the event, and it is created in New Delhi. Let's create another one. Say in KL, you have we have a review here. Great food here. Something like that. So basically, you can also review. So in case if you are a tourist and you travel a lot, you can really like help out other travelers, tourists to find out the best food or anything that you feel like you wanna everybody else should know about. So great food here. What's next? The longest sea beach on earth, a must visit. Yeah, there you go. And the last one. Okay. Let's go to United States. And let's go to North Carolina. And let's say we want to paint something like a fest here. So chill with North Carolina Reaper here. So these are the paints for the time being. As for the demonstration, the events are quite limited here, as you can see. But in the future release, I'm planning to put more events. It's more like in the future release there will be customization, so user can customize their own message and event type based on whatever they want to pin. As for the form, I have taken care of with the technique called debouncing. So debouncing technique is basically I am not really validating the input on every key here. So I'll just wait for a few seconds, a few milliseconds, and then I go and validate. So if the user does not fills up the form, user won't be able to submit the form. And you can close it down by clicking on the cross up here, or you can simply press the escape key or click on the background. That's it. So these are the pins. And one other thing is you may have tons of pins all over. You can of course also hide the pin message here. The best thing is you want to like find this particular pin on the left hand. So you just do is you click here and it will take you there. You click on the card and it will take you to the place. So you do not have to go and look for the pin that you're looking for. So that's it for the pins here. So as for the CRUD, you can edit and delete one pin or delete all. So let's say that we want to edit our ambulance service. Okay, let's go there. So here it is. And let's say we want to edit this to XYZ. Call us at XYZ. So let's fix it. And here it is, XYZ. And now, let's say we do not need this service. We are not providing this ambulance service. We can delete it. For some reason, the service is doomed due to missile or anything such. And let's say we want to delete all of them. We can do so. And there you go. it's clear. Yeah, and you can go to pins section here. So this is a global pins section where you'll have all the pins from all the Pinzy users, and you can see it and you can click on the card and it will take you there. Yeah. But for the future release, which I am planning to deploy in the wild with real-time users and stuff, there will be a lot of changes and a lot of added features. And of course, you can log out. So that's it. And also, I've taken care of the cases where if anybody tries to tries to visit the user page manually through the URL, so it will be blocked because you're not logged in. Duh. So that's it for the time being. Code on.